After giving birth, I thought taking care of newborn and sleepless nights was my only problem. But when I looked into the mirror and I saw how my skin looked, I felt like I had aged overnight. But the worst part, I was making it worse without even realizing it. Mistake number one that I made was ignoring my skin barrier. I didn't even know what that meant at the time. Like, I did not even have any knowledge about what is skin barrier or skincare, whatever. Your skin barrier is like a security gate to your home. It keeps moisture in and irritants out. So after childbirth, because of hormonal shift and all the sleepless nights, my skin barrier was begging for help. Here are a few symptoms that showed me that my skin barrier is gone. First one was, even after moisturizing, my face would feel so dry as if I sucked out all the oils on my face. Like, it was not even looking as if I moisturized my face at all. And in my mind, I would be like, why is it like that? Is it because of the cream? Maybe it's because of the cream I'm using, but it wasn't the cream. Another symptoms I found out was I was breaking out. Like, I was just breaking out, even because before I would break out, it's mostly during my period days, and it's also when I was pregnant. So after childbirth, I expected not to break out, but I was actually breaking out. All of a sudden, pimples will just be coming out on my skin, on my face, and I will not even understand. I will try to apply some products that I usually on a normal, I use it. It doesn't do anything on my skin. But I will try to apply these products and it will be stinking my skin. Sometimes I'll be like, maybe it's because of the water I'm using, no. Maybe it's because the water is dirty. I will pour in antiseptic liquid and I was thinking that it's because of the water. This is because my skin barrier has been broken and I did not know. This is why it happened. The hormonal crashes reduces your skin ceramides and lipids. So when you combine that with stress and sleepless nights, my skin barrier was crying. So when I found out what the problem was, this is what I did. The first thing I did was to stop using any actives. I paused all exfoliants and even vitamin C. Then I simplified my routine. I just stick to the basics: cleansing, moisturizing, and applying my sunscreen. I also make sure to take a lot of water because hydration actually helps in repairing your skin barrier. So to even make it more fun, because sometimes you will find it difficult to take water, I invested in this. This actually helped me. If I just pour in my water into this, I'll just be sipping it slowly. So before you know it, you will not know when you have finished 3 liters of water. Trust me, this has been a game changer for me till date. I also make sure to use lukewarm water for washing my face. So I was not using cold water, I was not using hot water, I was actually using lukewarm water to wash my face. I started treating my skin like I would treat my newborn baby. I was gentle, I was consistent, and I was kind to my skin. Within 3 weeks, trust me, I saw a huge difference. Now let's move on to mistake number two, which is using lightening products. Oh my God. This one dealt with me. There is this cream that my sister introduced me to. I'll leave it here. That cream dealt with me. When my sister came to visit me when I put to bed, she was like, your skin, no, please do. We don't want you to be looking like 80-year-old. We don't want you to this, you don't want you to that. And she now bought that cream for me. She said it's going to clear all the hyperpigmentation and everything on my skin, and my skin will be looking so clean and so fresh and so even toned. In my mind, I was like, okay, this is what I want, because after you've put to bed, hyperpigmentation is one of the things that you struggle with. Yes. So I was like, I don't just like the way my tummy is looking. I don't like the way my neck is looking. I just want everything that's going. I just want products that will clear my skin and make me to look flawless. Hmm. I started using this cream. 1 week into using this cream, I was already seeing big grain veins. I thank God that I really stopped using that cream on time, because if not, stress mask could have finished my skin. Because even after having kids, I haven't had any stress mask on my skin. It's because I actually started being intentional about the things I use on my skin. So I was using this 1 week into this. I did not even notice it. It's my husband that noticed it and said, why are you having green veins? Because I was actually focusing on my neck and my tummy. And he was like, why are you having green veins on your neck like this? I had to take mirror and look at it. If you see, for me, when I look at the mirror, I'll be looking so glow. I will be glowing. I'll be looking so, my skin was coming out a little bit. And when I now looked at the mirror, I carefully looked at the mirror. You need to see, I was turning into one white, what I don't even know. Immediately I saw the green veins. I said, "Jeez, what is this?" Immediately, I discontinued immediately. I did not even argue with my husband or even try to say, it's going to my skin is trying to come back to normal. I didn't even think twice. I discontinued immediately. That is when I started being intentional about the kind of cream, soap, and whatever that I use on my skin. I started making research because I was like, I cannot stay like this. My skin cannot remain like this, and I cannot use this cream either. So I said, okay, I started doing research, and before you know it, I started gaining knowledge and knowing how to use skincare products and my skin type as well. So trust me, lightening product is not the way to go. So if you are currently in your postpartum phase and you think that you have to lighten your skin with lightening product so it will clear off your hyperpigmentation, please don't do it. You are going to damage your skin in the long run. Trust me. Most of those products that promises to whiten your skin in 7 days, in 3 days, in 5 days, it is going to lighten your skin. Oh, that lightening, you will see it. But in the long run, you will regret why you bought it. You will regret using such cream. Trust me. So please, don't make that mistake of buying any lightening product just because you are trying to clear off hyperpigmentation on your skin. I understand you. I feel you that you don't like the way your skin is looking, but trust me, it's patience and consistency. Okay, hyperpigmentation needs to be handled with patience and consistency. It doesn't have any shortcut at all. Trust me, if you want to go through the shortcut, your skin will pay for it. Like in the long run, you'll regret it. So don't even try it. Introduce ingredients like niacinamide in 5% to start with. Okay, you don't have to go to 10%. You start with 5% niacinamide, then you work your way up. So I introduced ingredients like tranexamic acid, even azelaic acid. Some of these three ingredients actually helps with hyperpigmentation and evening out your skin tone and brightening your skin. Yes, if you know that you are currently breastfeeding, you know that you are in postpartum phase, go for this. Look out for these three ingredients when you're getting your products: niacinamide, tranexamic acid, azelaic acid. Okay, it will actually help you to glow back your skin. So for these acids, it's best to apply them mostly at night. Yes, if you really want it to work for you, apply it mostly at night, because if you decide to apply it during the day, your skin might be more sensitive to the sun, which might make you get darker. Okay, and you don't want that. You're trying to clear up that hyperpigmentation. Okay, so apply it at night. It works best at night. Trust me, when I started doing this, in less than 6 weeks, if not, okay, let me say 8 weeks, my skin, like I was saying, that evenness, I was saying that glow, that radiance. Trust me, it was a game changer. And since then till now, nobody can tell me anything about it. Slow skincare is the real skincare. All I wanted was to feel good looking at myself in the mirror. Like, there's this confidence, there's this, vibe that it gives when you look at the mirror and you see that you are actually feeling, and you see that your skin is actually glowing. Mistake number three that I actually made, that I told myself never again in my life, was actually skipping sunscreen, especially when I was inside. Because when you are breastfeeding or you just put to bed, you are mostly going to be at home, so you will not be going out. Ah, you imagine, after I found out about lightening products and I finally found out how to use my acids, and I was now using the acids. In fact, I was even using the acids during the day. I was now using the acids, and even when I was using the acid, I was not protecting my skin with sunscreen. That is why I said earlier, if you are using these acids, make sure to protect your skin with sunscreen, because if not, your skin will be more sensitive to the sun and you are going to get darker. So imagine treating hyperpigmentation and you are applying products and you are getting darker. So these are some of the things that can get you darker, even while trying to treat hyperpigmentation. You don't just leave your skin like that because you have applied that tranexamic acid serum or face cream or whatever on your skin and you feel that, okay, just do your job, clear my hyperpigmentation, and it ends there. No. Even when you apply that, go in with your sunscreen. This is the mistake that I made. I was not applying sunscreen, especially when you are inside, because even when you are using your phone, you are using your phone to look at, maybe go through social media, that light is actually reflecting on your skin, and it's your skin is more is your skin is times two sensitive when you apply acids. Yes, so you don't want that for your skin, right? So this is one of the mistakes that I made. I was not applying sunscreen and I was getting darker. I was even thinking that the products are not working. I was thinking that it was not working at all. So what did I do? I started applying sunscreen as part of my morning routine. Yes, whenever I apply other products, I lock it up with sunscreen, even when I'm in the house. Okay, that is what you should do. Whenever you are done with your skincare routine, you've applied all the products, please lock it up with your sunscreen. Don't say, I'm inside the house. I am not exposed to sun, so therefore no need for sunscreen. No, no, no. I said no. Except you are inside one place that you know. Even at that, except you are not even touching your phone at all. But if you know that you're touching this your phone, you are on your phone like this to be scrolling through social media or whatever, please protect your skin with sunscreen. We need you to, I need you to glow. So I'm telling you this thing now for free. Protect your skin with sunscreen. Another thing that you should actually do is for you to start using your face caps or even sunglasses if you know that you are going out, because you know during your postpartum phase you are trying to brighten your skin, so you'll be applying a lot of brightening products. You'll be applying a lot of brightening products just to bring back that glow and fade that hyperpigmentation. So that is the time that you need to protect your skin even more. Okay, so make sure that you are using your sunglasses or your face cap. Just find ways to protect your skin. If you know that you don't really need to go outside, there's no point of going outside, because when you go outside, that is even when your skin will be times 3 sensitive. When you are inside, it's times 2 sensitive. When you are outside, it's times 3 sensitive, because that one, your face is bare, your skin is bare on the sun. Because you're not going to tell me you're going to cover every part of your body. It's only your eyes that will be showing. There are some people that do that. 80% of you that are watching this video right now are not going to cover all over your body and be showing only your eyes. Okay? So please try to apply your sunscreen before going out. Look for other ways to protect your skin. Use your face cap, use your scarf, use your sunglasses, just to avoid any form of suntan. Need to understand that this phase of your life, less is more, because your hormones are shifting. Yes, that is the truth. Your confidence does not come from clear skin, but trust me, when you have clear skin, your confidence will be like this. It will be on another level. So if you're a newborn watching this video, or you're already in your postpartum phase and you don't really know how to go about it, just know that you are not alone. Okay, just take these 3 mistakes that I've shared in this video and run with it. So what I want you to do now is for you to drop a comment if you are dealing with any form of skin issues and you are in your postpartum phase, your postpartum period, and you are dealing with any form of skin issues. Drop it in the comments. Okay, let's troubleshoot it together. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on your post notification, share it to another mom you know that might need it. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. For now, bye.